But this video is going to be on my install for the Ririhair wig that I bought. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, so I did buy the wig with my own money. And just because I love Ririhair, like this is my third wig from them. It is a frontal, it's a bob, really short bob, and it's perfect for work for me. So this wig is gonna become my work wig. So this is the finished product. I'm so thrilled with the outcome. This is exactly how I wanted it to turn out. And it's perfect for me for work. I was tired of putting my natural hair in a bun every day, so this is perfect. I can just tie it up at night, wake up, take off the scarf, comb it out, and go. That's all I gotta do, and I love it. I love the outcome.